Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue type 1 of chapter number 5, complex numbers and quadratic equations of class 11 science. Question number 7. 1 by 3 plus I 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I 1 by 3 minus bracket minus 4 by 3 plus I. So we have to arrange in A plus IB form. Okay. So first of all we have to open this bracket. So it gives 1 by 3 plus I 7 by 3 plus 4 plus here plus sign. So no need to change in this term. So I 1 by 3. Now we have to multiply minus sign to this bracket. So it gives minus minus plus 4 by 3 minus plus minus I. Now we have to add and subtract real part and imaginary part individually. So now see here 1 by 3, 4 and 4 by 3. These three terms are real part. So we have to write in one bracket. So 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. And remaining terms means I 7 by 3, I 1 by 3 minus I gives imaginary part. We have to common I from these three terms. So I common in bracket 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. We have to common I from imaginary part. Now simplify. So we have to take LCM. LCM will be 3. So here multiply by 1. Here we can write 4 by 1. So here multiply by 3 because 3 ones are 3. And here multiply by 1 because 1 3s are 3. So it gives 1 ones are 1 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 4 ones are 4 plus I bracket. Same thing we have to take LCM here. So LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So here multiply by 1, here multiply by 1, and here multiply by 3. So 7 plus 1 ones are 1 minus 3 ones are 3. Now simplify. So it gives 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 4 17 by 3 plus I 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 3 5 by 3. So it gives A plus IB 4. Okay. Next question number 8. 1 minus I 1 raised to 4. Okay. So here we have to use binomial theorem. Okay. But otherwise we have to split this term. So we can write 1 minus I whole square into 1 minus I whole square. We can write 1 minus I whole square into 1 minus I whole square. Or we can use binomial theorem. Okay. Is equal to 1 minus I whole square. We have to use A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square gives A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A square. So here the value of A is 1. So 1 square 1 minus 2AB. So 2I plus I square. Same thing here 1 minus 2I plus I square. 1 minus 2I. The value of I square. Put the value of I square. Again I will repeat. Keep in mind we have to put the value of I square, I cube, I raised to 4, I raised to 5 up to so on. Don't put the value of I because we have to arrange in A plus IB form. Okay. So the value of I square is minus 1 in bracket 1 minus 2I minus 1 sorry because I square is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. Same thing here plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. So it gives minus 2I. Same thing minus 2I. Now multiply. So 2 2s are 4 minus minus plus 4I into I square. Again put the value of I square is minus 1. So it gives minus 4. And we can write minus 4 plus 0 I. Is it clear? Next question number 9. 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. So we have to arrange in A plus IB form. So we have to simplify it. So we have to apply formula of A plus B whole cube. Okay. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. So we have to apply this formula. Here the value of a is 1 by 3 and the value of b is 3i. So is equals to 1 by 3 cube plus 3i cube plus 1 by 3 3i bracket 1 by 3 plus 3i is equals to 1 by 3 cube. 1 cube 1 upon 3 cube 27 plus 3i cube means 27i cube plus here 3 cancel out, so it gives 3i bracket 1 by 3 plus 3i is equal to 1 by 27 plus here put the value of I cube. The value of I cube is minus I because we can write I cube equal to I square into I and the value of I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into I will be minus I. So the value of I cube is minus I. So 27 bracket minus I plus we have to multiply 3i. Okay, in this bracket, so 3i upon 3, so 3 cancel out, so it gives I plus 3 3s are 9, I into I is equals to, again I will repeat, we have to put the value of I square, don't put the value of I. So the value of I square is minus 1, so 1 by 27 minus 27i plus I minus 9 because I square equal to minus 1. Now we have to add and subtract real part and imaginary part individually. So now see, here 1 by 27 minus 9, write in one bracket, 1 by 27 minus 9 and common I from these two terms, so we can write I bracket 1 minus 27 is equal to, now take LCM, 27 LCM, 27 nines are 243, yes or no? So 243 minus 1, 242. So minus 242 by 27 plus minus 27 plus 1 gives minus 26. So we can write minus 26 I. Is it clear? So our answer is 242 minus 242 upon 27 minus 26 I. Next question number 10. Same question, here we have to use this formula a plus b whole cube. Okay, so it gives minus 2 cube plus minus 1 by 3 I cube plus 3 ab means minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I bracket minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I is equal to minus 2 cube gives minus 8 minus 1 by 3 I cube means minus 1 by 27 I cube. Here 3 cancel out, minus minus plus 2i. Again, I will repeat, 3 cancel out, minus minus plus 2 ones are 2i. Bracket minus 2 minus 1 by 3i as it is. Now we have to multiply 2i in this bracket and put the value of I square is minus 1. So minus I. So minus 8 minus 1 by 27 minus I. Here 2 2s are 4 minus 4i minus 2 by 3 I square. Okay, so it gives minus 8 minus minus plus 1 by 27i minus 4i plus 2 by 3 because the value of I square is minus 1. So minus minus plus 2 by 3. Now simplify. Real part is minus 8 and 2 by 3. Write down in one bracket minus 8 plus 2 by 3. Okay. And common I from imaginary part. So plus I bracket 1 by 27 minus 4. So it gives, take LCM will be 3. 8 3s are 24 minus 2 minus, so minus 24 plus 2 plus I bracket 27 4s are so 34s are 120 3 4s are 12 minus 12 Okay, so it gives 1 0 2. So 108. 108. So 108 minus 1. Okay, we will write 1 minus 108 upon 27 is equal to minus 24 plus 2 minus 22. Minus 22 by 3. Minus 22 by 3. Minus 108 minus 1 gives 107. So minus 107 by 27 I. So it gives a plus ib form. Next, question number 14 of exercise 5.1 is 3 plus I 5 into 3 minus I 5. Keep in mind here relation is multiplication and upon under root 3 plus under root 2I minus under root 3 minus I root 2. So here relation is subtraction. So keep in mind how to express in a plus ib form. So it's a very easy question. See, so is equals to, here we have to apply a plus b, a minus b form, because the value of a and the value of b is same. Okay, so we can write 3 square minus I root 5 square upon, here we have to open this bracket, so we have to multiply minus sign to last bracket. Don't change in first bracket. So first bracket as it is root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus minus plus I root 2. Now see, 3 square 9 minus I root 5 square. So we have to square of I square as well as root 5 square. So I square into 5 because root 5 square will be upon, see here root 3 plus root 3 minus cancel out. So remaining terms is root 2I plus root 2I or I root 2. Both are same. So we can write 2 times root 2I. Now put the value of I square is minus 1 in numerator. So now see is equals to 9 plus 5. Yes or no? Because minus minus plus 5 upon 2 root 2 I is equals to 9 plus 5, 14 upon 2 root 2 I. 2 sevens are 14, so 7 upon root 2, sorry, root 2 I. Now see, I in denominator. So again I will repeat, if I is in denominator then we have to multiply and divide by I. Okay, because I is always in numerator. So we have to multiply and divide by I. Root 2 I. So multiply and divide by I. So it gives 7I upon root 2 I square. Because I into I square. Again we have to put the value of I square will be minus 1. So it gives 7I upon root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. So it gives minus 7 upon root 2I. So we have to express in FSID form. So we can write 0 minus 7 upon root 2I is the final answer. Is it clear?